Hello my awesome YouTubers, your man Dave is back and to welcome you to Deset Media Production latest segment, You Ask, I Answer. And today I'm answering your question about live streaming versus Premiere versus live broadcasting. What are they? What is the difference? And should I live stream? When should I live stream? Guys, in very simple terms, live streaming is the real time, real deal, versus Premiere, which is past-time recording, real-time uploading, and versus broadcasting, which is combo of both. Premiere is when the filming and recording happened in the past. Video and audio material was edited, then uploaded on YouTube, while live streaming is happening right here, right now, right then, right there, and all the rest of it. YouTube Premiere allows creators and viewers to watch a new video together at the same time. It's like a movie premiere. First time, never seen footage or video before, just uploaded and watched by the video creator and their audience at the same time. You're watching and the video together, and you can interact with each other, and you can interact with other viewers via the chat box. Video, real time, uploaded, but recorded in the past. The Premiere video will show in the video section tab on YouTube rather than in the live stream tab. That's a little bit of a difference. Just like in the live streaming, fans and subscribers are able to chat and viewers are able to send super chat donations, super chat stickers, and show appreciation and support to the channel creator, just like you would do in the live stream. While live streaming, a creator is able to respond to the audience in real time via the video stream or the audio stream or the chat box, while in the Premiere, creator can respond only via the chat box. Why? Because the streamed video or audio material is not happening in the real time. Live broadcasting is when you mix the edited video and audio material with live streaming. You combine edited video and audio material and queue the files in a live broadcasting software with your overlays, picture-in-picture, lower thirds, and so on. The best example is news broadcasting and radio stations broadcasting. The best example of broadcasting software that YouTubers use is Mimo Live or Boinks, OBS and Telecast or Wirecast. I'm using Mimo Live or Boinks software. It's easy to use, great range of features, and it allows me to be very creative with the software. While broadcasting, which is what we do right now, I can cut in and out at any time. I can pause the video file which is running right now and go live with my live camera, which I'm going to do right now. Hello folks, thank you very much for watching. Greatly appreciate your effort and everything else you do for us. Thank you very much for your continued support, and let's go back to our video. And that's the beauty of live broadcasting. What is my favorite and why? Live streaming is super awesome. You can interact with your audience in real time, respond to questions, build a relationship with your subscribers and your visitors. It's great stuff. Now the question is, when should you start live streaming? Does the number of subscribers matter when you should start live streaming? Well, there are many opinions about that question, and of course, this is only my opinion. If you are just starting your YouTube channel, you really don't know who your audience are and how engaging they will be. In my opinion, don't rush into live streaming. Start creating and uploading good quality videos and see how you go. Judge how your viewers responding to your material and how they respond to various subjects and topics. If one certain topic works, go until you find the breaking point and then change to something new. If your video is pulling a lot of likes, comments, views and engagement, you're on a good track. And you should seriously consider start live streaming, regardless of the number of your subs. If your subscribers are not very active, not very engaging, and shy on giving you a thumbs up, shy on commenting and share your videos, I strongly suggest to delay going live on a regular basis. Wait until you have that base that will support you no matter what. I've found that failing to pull constant and consistent good numbers on live streams, YouTube just doesn't recommend or promote your videos enough. So they fail to push your videos in the recommendation side of the YouTube page. Even when your stream is over, so when your stream goes into finished premiere or finished live stream goes into video stage, you don't get many recommendations. Your video is not getting promoted as much as it should. As I've mentioned in my Why Do YouTubers Ask for Likes video, it is so hard to get through engagement from the audience. It is hard to get likes and thumbs up these days. I watched a couple of 2 or 3 hour live streaming sessions with about 7,000 to 8,000 people watching the live stream, and they have only 500 to 600 thumbs up. It's so hard to get the thumbs up. Giving thumbs up used to be YouTubers' signature and support code. I mean, don't hesitate to give those likes. It's the driving force for all YouTubers. It's the driving force for all channels and creators. Comments are valuable feedback, which helps YouTubers fine-tune their videos and live streaming production. It's the holy grail of YouTube. Thumbs up, likes, shares. That's what it is. That's what's driving us to create better videos. And your comments are the driving force behind the changes. So if you tell me what's wrong with it, I am able to change it. So please let me know what you think. Tell me what you want to change. I'll change it. But if you don't tell me, I don't know what to. Even businesses, like in every business, is thirsty and hungry for comments and feedback, because they know if I tell them that something's wrong with their product or service, they know where to go, what to do, how to change it, how to make my experience better. So we're the same. We're creating engaging material, so you feel good about my channel, you feel good about my material, and you're going to keep coming back because you're part of the action. So don't hesitate. Now, subscribing to a channel is not a prison sentence. Let me say that again. Subscribing to a channel is not a prison sentence or a contractual obligation that you must watch one's video. Say if you subscribe to my channel, it doesn't mean you have to watch every single video. And if you subscribe to someone else's channel, that doesn't mean that you sign a contract that you have to watch every single video they upload. But it's helping the channel creator to grow. Those likes, those subscriptions, it helps them a lot. So don't be shy. The only thing is, if you don't like receiving notifications, just don't click that gray bell button. If you like the creator's material, click it. That gray bell button will tell you, okay, this channel is live, this channel has uploaded a video. You get notified when the channel is active. That's all it is. But if you don't like receiving those messages on your phone or email, just don't click that gray bell button. That's all. It is nothing harmful, and it's not harmful at all. Subscribing to a channel does not affect your YouTube channel. It does not affect your status. It does not affect you in any way. Absolutely none whatsoever. It helps the creator and channel to grow, and you are the part of their success. With that click of like, with your comment, with your subscription, you are the part of their success. And for me, all my subscribers will have the share of my success in every possible way. So don't be shy. We are thirsty and hungry for your comments and your feedback. We are thirsty and hungry for your likes and shares. So please start clicking those buttons below the screen. Subscribe if you didn't. Like if you didn't have a chance to do so. Share. And I believe that we can create success together. But I can't do it on my own. I need your help. And I want you to be part of success story. Guys, thank you very much for watching. I really appreciate your support, and I really I can't express my gratitude to all my subscribers and followers. I will see you in the next video when we'll be talking about super chats, super stickers, and Patreon. What is it, and should you join? If you would like to be notified about that video, simply click that gray button next to the subscribe button, and you will get the notification when we are live or when we upload the next video. If you don't like to be notified, don't click that gray bell button. That's all it is. But if you didn't have a chance yet to subscribe and give us that thumbs up, please do so. Thank you very much again. So up until the next video, please take care of yourself and each other. Dave, out.